Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So in euro currency, as you can see, it's a bit difficult to comment the daily chart. It's just because everything is frozen. So actually you can see that market either waiting for something or it was just taking some rest after the significant action and lots of events that have happened previously. So in the current situation, everything mostly stands the same. So based on the plan that we have discussed yesterday, it seems that we are doing everything right. So we said that either to wait for a deeper retracement, wait for the potential patterns if you would like to take the long position. Those who would like to take the short could try and take the position on the 222 pattern that we've got yesterday. So all these moments work nice, so as you will see later on intraday charts. For now, on a daily, I would keep watching for a 1635 area, but just because this is the existed upside channel and this is the harmonic swing of the retracement inside of it. And definitely something should happen, at least on the intraday charts. Either we will get the deeper breakout and it will mean that we should be watching for some extension to the downside of the bigger scale. So in this case, the tendency that we're trading right now, I mean this particular action on intraday charts, will be broken, although long-term bullish tendency remains. So it will just mean that we will get a bit deeper retracement here. Or market will try to make an attempt, will try to actually re-establish upward action. So that's probably something that we should get somewhere in an area between the 116, 116.30, so somewhere around of the daily average sold area. In favor of the second scenario, that market should try to complete this target, stands mostly the feature that we already talked about, that when the market stands nearer the targets, it very rare shows the deep retracements. So usually trying to hit the target first and then turning to the reaction. And second reason, once again, this is the channel. So we have the harmonic retracements. It now stands very close to the final points, and actually it also suggests that probably this attempt might happen. So we will see. On the hourly chart, on the 4-time frame chart, we do not have a lot of things. The only moment that here was minor reversal, bearish reversal bar. This market dropped slightly lower, but now it is making an attempt on some upside action. Although it's difficult to say currently what will happen here, so it's just too small information with it. Market stands in a wide consolidation, so it's difficult to say something until market will reach some predefined levels. First of all, to the upside, as we said, it should be somewhere around 117.50 area, 118. So at least here we could try to count on some reversal pattern or something like this. So the market will break this downside tendency of the lower highs. Or it should complete important levels, such as the 116 level, for example, where actually more or less significant support, and there we could count on some technical bounce at least. Because at this moment here we do not have any clear patterns and we do not have any big reasons to consider taking new long position. Although, as you can see, for example, on the Bitcoin market, yesterday we also prepared the analysis for the Bitcoin. Market has completed the target, so rally on the Bitcoin yesterday was relatively good. The same on the gold. In gold, I would call it a rally, but it still was able to move slightly higher. On other markets, especially in the Forex, bonds, so we do not see any big changes. On the hourly chart, here's the progress that we have. That's the consolidation that we talked about. Once again, triple to work, nice market, even dropped slightly lower than we thought. So you can see even an extension of this pattern. And now it's just stands in some consolidation around the same confluence area. So OP target of this ABCD pattern has been completed. But based on this performance, it's almost nothing we could say, so it just stands inside of the same range, no clear patterns, so once again no direction. It means that we have to wait for the same things, either for strong support or clear signs of the changing of the direction, and the market will just break it up and start moving higher. For a new entry on the short side, we also do not have lots of good background. So if you have bearish position, well, here you probably could try to hold it if you would like to, or at least book some profit here, so maybe 35-50% of this position, maybe even 70. And then you could keep the rest for a possible downside continuation if you want. But in general, I would say that these patterns already work out. So as you could see, situation remains quiet, but at the same time, it generates no good trading setups. So market just stands in the same range, moving down. Action is in general very slow. That suggests that it's probably just a retracement. But we need some final step for decision making is the signal from the market, what it's going to do. So either upward action or reaching of the strong support. Without it, probably it's the risk that you could get if you would try to take the position just on freely and blindly here based on the current situation. I think that it doesn't worth it, so it's better to wait for some clarity.